Where are we, Izzy?
Wendy's has new. You heard me. Wendy's nugs now come in 7 soft road.
Malachi's coming out of the corn.
You can literally hear your taste buds after having
Welcome back, 26 Acres Outdoors. Today, something different. We're over at Buttonwood's Farms in Griswold, Connecticut. They do a great thing every year, right? Mm-hmm. For a sunflower field, over 14 acres and over 300,000 sunflowers. And it all goes to where?
The Make-A-Wish Foundation.
And Izzy is volunteering this year. This is what, your second weekend? It's actually the last weekend. They're always looking for volunteers, and over the last 21 years they have raised $1.9 million to the Make-A-Wish Foundation for all these kids. So I am super proud of Izzy for volunteering. Maybe you guys next year check it out, or maybe you want to help out too. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the footage I put together with the little ones yesterday. And Izzy is off to volunteer.
Okay, bye.
Have fun, bye. You want me to chase you down?
No.
Look at that, volunteer, volunteer. See, Fawn, did you see that? How they're all facing the sun?
Yeah.
Well, they call them sunflowers.
Yeah, because I know. Dad,
What?
I think there's one blowing right here. Who would want to plant one they go somebody's walking here?
Yeah, that's crazy. Well, we can walk down this way and then up the other way. Fawn, look, find us one. Come here.
I'm trying to hit that ball. I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
You hold that one?
Yeah.
Hold it up here.
No, it's so pokey.
It's a little pokey.
It's a little pokey, bud?
Can I feel it?
Yeah. Hold it.
Here, hold
Not
it.
too
Hold it.
pokey
The
for
top's
me.
heavy.
Oh, cool. We got to get some more. That one. Oh, that is. Here, let me get it.
Chop it.
Do you want to help me chop it?
Yes.
That's right.
Ready? I'll chop, you hold. Go right in between there. Come here.
Through the jungle.
Through it. This one with the bee on it?
Yeah. Just have to can't get off.
This one.
Yeah.
Where? Right here?
Yeah.
There? Here.
There. Yeah.
Goodbye, bee. Ooh. Nice one.
To my stuff.
There you go. Ah! Let me see. Whoa! It's backwards. Very nice. Where do you want to go, bud?
I'm going jungle.
You want to go in the jungle? Well,
You
let's let you down into the sunflower jungle. What do you say?
You want to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Where are we going? In the jungle?
Yeah.
Which one are we trying to get though? How about that tall one over there?
Oh, I see it. I see it.
I think we should send you and Daddy into the jungle, okay?
I'm going in too to pick my own.
You're all going in, huh?
We're all going in? Which one? Bud. This one?
Yeah.
Is it that one? The one with the big bee on it?
Daddy.
We got it.
Daddy.
Whoa, what?
I'm gonna tell you what I want.
Which one do you want? Where are you?
Over here.
Bud, which one?
I want this one.
I can't even find you down there.
This one right
Oh.
there.
Which one?
That one.
Do you want me to put you down, bud?
No.
No?
I'm that one.
You want mine?
This one.
Which one?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
I can't see what I'm doing.
Wait, this one.
Which one? That one?
Yeah.
Whoa, okay. They said cut it a foot down. Ready?
Yep. Hold on to it.
Okay, hold on to it. Ready? Timber. Boink. Where are you? Ah, cool. All right, let's come on out of there, guys. Out of the jungle, as Calvin calls it.
I think I need Daddy to
Let me see. You got those?
No.
No.
Catch you
Catch you next time. Our head comes over the thing, and you guys gotta point. Catch you next time. Ready?
Like this. Catch you next time. I couldn't even see Mom.
Couldn't really see Calvin either.
No.
His face was in the leaf.
All right, come on. Do it one more time.
I do one.
Ready? I'll grab you guys lower. No, Calvin, you can't squish.
You gotta wait
it
until you see me.
Ah, ready?
Catch you next time. Catch you next time.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say it.
Catch you next time.
Ready?
Catch you
Catch you next time. Okay.
One more time.
No, that's enough times.
Catch you next time. Catch you next time. Catch you next time. Catch you next time.